So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine the string from the crown up towards the sky, keeping the chin parallel. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aim the in-breath to that lower hand. Now bringing both arms up, we'll inhale, lengthen with the left, exhale with the right. Inhale left, exhale right. And we'll inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Then take hold of the left wrist, inhale, lengthen up, exhale over to the right. Come back to center, swap the hands over. Inhale, lengthen first, then exhale over. Coming back to the middle. Inhale, exhale over, maybe a little further if it feels okay. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale over, and back to center. So one more each side. Inhale, exhale over and center. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center, bring the arms down, and we'll roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. And the other way. And full arm circles, inhaling up, exhaling down. And the other way. And both arms to the top, take the left one forward, right one back. And the other way, right forward, left back. And both arms up, bend the left elbow, take the right hand to the elbow. And then lean forward, swinging the arms. And right arm up, take the left hand to the elbow. And swinging the arms. And left arm up, take the right one behind, bring the hands together if you can, or wherever you get to. And then leaning forward to swinging the arms. And take the right one up, take the left one behind. And then big circle with the arms out in front, dropping the head down. And take the arms behind, interlace the fingers, lifting the arms. And holding on to the elbows, or keep the hands behind. Deep bend in the knees, body on the thighs. We'll inhale, exhale, try and straighten the legs and lift the arms a little higher. Again, deep bend in the knees. Exhale, try and straighten. And one more. Deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten. Then we'll bend the knees, carefully roll back up. Take the left arm in front of the body, looking left. And on to the other side. And bring the arms down. Alright, so we're working on the lower joints, so standing on the right leg, working as that left hip, so belly button squeezed in, finding your focus point. Then we'll circle the other way, so remember, just a comfortable range, so no pain at all. And I'm working on the knee joints. Remember, you can use the arm out to help with the balance. And the other way. And holding on to the knee, rotate into the ankle. And the other way. And bring that leg down. And working into the right hip. And then the other way. And onto the knee joint. And the other way. And finally that right ankle. And the other way. And we'll bring that leg down. So standing pose, we'll do warrior one. So we'll have the right leg forward, left leg back. So that left heel is down with the foot slightly angled towards the front foot. So good bend in the front knee. If we can, we'll bring the arms up either side of the head. So holding there for warrior one. Now if you feel quite steady, you can take it a little further by looking up to the sky. Just challenges the balance a little bit more. So you feel a few more muscles kicking in. But if it doesn't feel good, then keep looking forwards. And we'll come down, we'll do the other side. So left leg forward, right leg back. So we'll try and bring the hips round, facing the same direction as that front knee. And bringing the arms up if we can. If you feel steady and you want to, then gently turn and look up to the sky. So remember to keep breathing, do not hold on to the breath. And we'll bring the arms down and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, one hand on the chest and just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Bring the in-breath to the lower hand. And just see if you can feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.